Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel. It's Nick here, and today I've got a helpful guide for all you Chevy Malibu owners out there. I'll be diving into the nitty-gritty of resetting the oil life on your Chevy Malibu from 2008 to 2024. This system must be reset every time the engine oil is changed. So let's get to work. In this first section, I'll show you how to reset the oil life on the 2008 to 2012 Chevy Malibu. So what you're going to do is, Step 1. Turn the key to the on position with the engine off. Step 2. Press and hold the info button and the enter button at the same time for a second to get the oil life reset menu. Step 3. Press and hold the enter button until the acknowledged is displayed, and you're done. Now, I'll show you how to reset the oil life on the 2013 to 2015 Chevy Malibu. It was pretty simple to do. Basically, you just need to use the button on the turn signal lever. So this is how you do it. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Press the menu button on the turn signal lever until you see the vehicle information. Step 3. Navigate up or down by using the thumbwheel to get to the remaining oil life. Step 4. Press and hold the set button on the end of the stock, and it will prompt you to confirm your decision to reset. Step 5. Select Yes to confirm the oil life reset. In this section, I will guide you in resetting the oil life on the 8th generation Chevy Malibu. There are two ways in this model, and it depends on the trim level of your vehicle. Let's start with the base level display. Step 1. Start your car. Step 2. Use the left or right arrow button to get over to the Vehicle tab menu. Step 3. Then, you'll scroll down until you get to the remaining oil life. Step 4. Press and hold the checkmark button until the display changes. Step 5. Finally, select Yes to confirm the oil life reset. Next, I'll show you how to reset the oil life in the up-level display. Basically, this is the same as the base level display. So let's do it. Step 1. Start your car. Step 2. Press the left arrow button to bring up the main menu. Step 3. Go into where it says Info and hit the checkmark button. Step 4. Scroll down until you're at the oil life screen. Step 5. Press the right arrow button and then select the reset option. Step 6. Select Yes to confirm the oil life reset. And there you have it, guys. Resetting the oil life on your Chevy Malibu is a breeze. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.